Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Discord. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to Discord website. Alright, so over here you can download your Discord Windows application, or you can just open your Discord on your device. So over here, click over here again, and you have to enter your display name. Now let's do CAPTCHA. Alright, so over here we are redirected to login page. So over here enter your email. So I'm just going to enter my email over here, and then enter your password. So alright, so all you have to do is click on login and you will be connected to your Discord account. So that is how you can log into your Discord account. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.